to my YouTube channel and welcome back to a brand new video. Hope you're all doing well and having a great day and enjoying your week so far. So today's video is going to be an IKEA haul. It's a mini IKEA haul, I have to say, because I literally went into IKEA to pick up one item, which are these pillar candles. I ended up going to IKEA to pick up those, and then of course once you're in IKEA, it's always nice to have a look around if you've got time. So I had a little bit of time and I had a good look around IKEA, but mainly in the bargain basement. And I've got to say, I picked up quite a few bargains and I'm going to show you them on this haul now. So if you'd like to see what I picked up in IKEA this time round, please keep watching. Okay, so the first item I'm going to show you is what I just showed you now, okay, which are these pillar candles. So you get 20 candles in the box, 20 white pillar candles in the box, and these came in at £4 for the whole box, okay? So they're just a plain white dinner candle. They're not tapered in or anything. They're just really box standard. But 20 candles for £4 is really good going. So I got those, okay? So next up, in the bargain basement, I picked up these two photo frames. So these normally come in at £7 for the pair. And I've got them for £1 each, okay? £1 each in the bargain basement. So it's always worth looking in the bargain basement in IKEA to see if you can pick up any bargains. I love the colour of these picture frames. They're a metal frame and it's like a pewter silver colour. So in between a sort of gold and a silver together. And they hold a 5x7 print without the mount, or with the mount you can put like a 6x4 standard size print in there. So I got both of those for £1 each in the bargain basement. So while I was in the bargain basement, they had a whole like basket full of discounted throws and blankets. So I picked up this one. This one was originally £9 and it got reduced down to £6, okay? And it's absolutely perfect. I do love this kind of blanket throw. It's a mixed grey colour and it's nice and soft and cosy. And I do love this fray detail going around the edge of it as well. From £9 reduced down to £6. I think that was really good going as well. So I got that. So next up, going back to the photo frames, I picked up two photo frames in the bargain basement also. These are the Napkin frames. That one is a 6x4 inch size. And then this one is for the 5x7 inch print as well. So this one came in at £1 and this one was 50p. So I do have quite a few of these frames dotted around the house. And you can have it standing either landscape or portrait, or you can have it hanging either portrait or landscape. They've got hooks on the back of them as well. So all you need to do is put a little nail in your wall and you're good to go with that, okay? I think the 5x7 one is normally around £2.25 or something like that. I got the both of them for £1.50, which is absolutely amazing. Okay, so that's those. So I also picked up another throw, which is this gorgeous wintergreen colour. And I just absolutely love this colour at the minute. So this was normally £13 and it went down to £9, okay? And it's quite a large throw. I mean, it's absolutely gorgeous. So I've actually got this to put onto the bottom of my bed because I'm going to be keeping these bed covers on my bed throughout the autumn. So I just absolutely love the leaf design or the flower design in it. Or I might switch it up to a plain white bed set. The one that I got in Home Bargains. I mean, I haven't used that one yet, the waffle one. So this has got like a waffle detail with it as well, which I just absolutely love. And it will actually go very nice with the waffle bed set that I got from Home Bargains, okay? Just to give my room a little bit more greenery, a little bit more autumnal feel. £13 reduced down to £9. I just think that's absolutely brilliant. Okay, so next up I picked up these 3 spice jars. These are normally a pack of 4 in IKEA for I think £1.75. I got these for 40p each, okay? And what I'm going to be using these for, I'm going to make up a little, I wouldn't say a hot chocolate station, but more like a coffee station. And I'm going to have some nutmeg in here. Gonna put like a couple of marshmallows in there and then maybe some brown sugar cubes in this one as well, you know, just to have it on the side of our little Tessimo machine. They're normally like a pack of 4 for £1.75, you know, so it's still good going really. But if you can get them at a reduced price, why not, you know? So I got those. They had a whole basket full of these bags reduced down to 50p from £1. And what it is, it's like a little fold up bag. Put this into your handbag and when you go shopping, you just open it out like so and it becomes like a little handbag. And what I like about this bag, okay, it's got long handles. You can put it on your shoulder, or it's got a smaller handles here. You can just have it as a handbag, you know. So these are brilliant, you know, saving the environment by buying a carrier bag every time you go shopping. So I just always have one of these in my handbag. You know, like when you're on the school run and you think, oh, do I need anything in the supermarket? Just pop in there and you got your bag ready. So I also picked up these door handles. These were reduced from £6 down to £3 for the pair. I just got these to swap out the ones that came with the hemmed chest of drawers. So I'm just going to swap out the top drawer, which has got 2 handles on it, and replace it with these ones here, just to give it like the different kind of look, you know. I'm just going to take one out and show you. So this is what it looks like. It's a nice classic door handle, you know. It's going to look lovely on the chest of drawers. So got that as well. Okay, so the next item is a laundry basket. So this got reduced from £12 down to £8, which again is absolutely amazing. It's a large laundry bag, you know, and it's a nice neutral colour. I'm just going to insert a picture of it because it's quite big for me to show it just in this position here. But it's just absolutely gorgeous. It's also got a drawstring bag inside of it. So once you put your items in, you can secure them nicely in there. And it's absolutely huge. It's absolutely huge, okay? So like I said, this was reduced from £12 down to £8, and I just absolutely love it. Again, this one comes with 2 handles as well. So you've got a long handle, then it's got a shorter handle on it as well. Really nice quality. It's like a waterproof linen material, and I just absolutely love it. Okay, so that's that. So I also picked up some combination locks. So these were reduced from £2 down to £1. So these always come in handy for the gym. You know, so I got one for myself and I got one for hubby. I actually picked up 3 of them. So I was also thinking ahead of when we go on holiday, so we can like secure our suitcases as well. You know, so £1 for these. I know the pound shop sells very similar, but I've heard that these ones are much better quality. So I picked up 3 of these, you know, come in handy for holiday time. Okay, so the last item that I picked up was this napkin holder. Okay, so when I go to IKEA, I mean, this is a classic for IKEA, isn't it? You know, I always look at this and I think, should I get it? Should I not get it? So I actually forgot to get the napkins that fit this. I didn't want the oversized napkins, you know, but I've just got some smaller napkins here. These ones from last year from, I think, from Home Sense. Put them in there like that. And I just think it looks really lovely. You know, so I got that, and that was £3 in IKEA. Okay, so that's actually my last item. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and hit the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when I've uploaded my next video. And for those of you who have recently subscribed to my channel, thank you so much for subscribing. I appreciate all of you around here. Take care, keep well, and I shall see you on my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.